Most people on wheelchairs find it difficult to access buildings, especially those with stairs and without elevators. Spinal surgeon Sarah Nashia works with spinal cord injury patients and knows too well the frustrations and emotions these patients experience. She said things need to change and her first stop is with municipalities.
Before any building must be approved by the municipality, it must be accessible. It must be accessible because we have clients with spinal cord injury we cannot ignore. We have them. There are a lot. So,
Dr. Nashia also lashed out at employers who, after injuries, regard their employees as a liability and send them home.
You are taking away the dignity of that person. You are taking away their only income. They need to support their family. They need to get married. They need to live a normal life.
She suggests that employers find alternative duties to retain them, especially those who still have the ability to work after rehabilitation. Joseph Salomo is one of those who were lucky enough.
Due to the fact that we used to work on earth-moving machine, those heavy machine in the mine, I couldn't go back in the field because it's one of those risk work, and one has to consider safety first. So later on, after the company realized that I am capable, they promoted me to a planner.
Salomo suffered a back injury in a car accident about 3 years ago and underwent a 2-month rehabilitation at the Windhoek Central Hospital, the only health facility with a spinalist unit. Transport is another challenge, as many a time people on wheelchairs are left stranded because some drivers think they are too much of a baggage.
Seen my patient in the street, just sitting there in a wheelchair for 2 hours.
Dr. Nashia thus proposes that municipalities provide free transport to them. In the past 3 years, 179 patients with spinal cord injuries were rehabilitated and only 5 of them were not in a condition to return to work. Most of the spinal cord injuries are caused by car accidents, and once there is a wind of change in this area, spinal cord injuries and results can be minimized. I'm reporting for NBC News.